Hello, good day. So today I'd like to show it to you how we can do a design like this. This is known as a glass effect design. It is like that our glass is placed on top of this image, and let us see how we can do a design like this. So let me start with an initial markup, and I would open the preview, and I would be needing a div name as card. Okay, and I'll start styling. Okay, so I do the body. Okay, then width will be 100%. Okay, and then I would apply the background image. I already have the image with me, and that is in images, and it is 8. Okay, this is the image. Now I have to position the image. Background on position would be center. Perfect. Background, the size is very high, so I'll make the size cover. Okay, so I'd like to put it down a bit, so maybe how about 10? Yeah, that looks perfect position. Background repeat, should be no repeat. Done. Okay, now we see scroll bar. The reason because body has default margin and padding. Okay, now it has gone, so I will neutralize those. Perfect, now it is gone. Okay, now what I would be trying, I would be putting the card. So card, I want the width to be around 70% and height to be around 30%. Let's make it responsive, and then I need some border. 1 px solid. Let's start with white. Yeah, this is there. Maybe I would mark that a bit. That is very less, maybe 2. Yeah, that looks perfect. So this is in that corner. I would put it into the center, so I'll mark display flex, the whole body container. Then with the very well known way to put things on center, align items, and it will be center, so it will be in the center. Now I would add some border radius. It would be around, say, 15 px. Perfect. And add some box shadow. Would be x, 2px, 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 spread and everything. And then this is should be maybe 2. How it is going? It's a bit high, it looks. Maybe I will mark it very low. How about 0 to up very less? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now this is the one, and all I need to do is add the backdrop filter, which would make it which would give it the glass effect. Okay, so yeah, this one is the, and then we'll mark blur, maybe 10 px. How about that? You see, we got the glass effect. Now you can control this pixel, so to have a more and lesser blurring effect. Okay, so now here you can put some text into it. So say welcome, or maybe okay, now sorry, and we can mark the color equal to something aqua very one, and we can centralize it using again display flex, justify content center, align items center. Okay, and it looks a bit so we can make it a bit dark, maybe, yeah, so maybe towards the red we can put, and we can put some kind of red, and maybe the weight we can increase to say 700. Yeah, now you can see, and then you can make the font size equal to a big, maybe a 30 px. Yeah, you see. Thank you for watching this.